So starting off in the previous release of Boxcutter 719.6, next set of behavior toggle is this option for Smart Apply in Boxcutter. And what this refers to is that if we bring up our modifier list, whenever we cut non-destructively, it creates a boolean. However, if we click the apply button, it will apply not only the modifier, but will remove the cutter from the outliner. To demonstrate that one more time, I'll create another cut, and we see that there's a cutter listed in the outliner, and then whenever we click Smart Apply, we see that it is removed. Another interesting thing about Boxcutter is the ability to tab and use Boxcutter in edit mode. So I'll press Alt W to launch Boxcutter. And one of my favorite things about Boxcutter is basically holding Shift in order to shift a shape to live, in which we now have the cutter caught in a live position. And while we're in the edit mode of this cutter, we can click on the apply button, and we've actually applied the cutter and removed it, as well as applied the modifier on the main target, where we're now able to go ahead and begin making heavier mesh modifications in edit mode.